Cracks in concrete patios caused by heavy equipment use can seriously mess up your outdoor space, but you can totally handle it with some smart moves. So first off, try to keep heavy stuff off your patio as much as you can because concrete patios aren't really built to hold tons of weight. If you gotta move heavy equipment across it, use plywood sheets or heavy-duty mats to spread out the load and protect the surface. When you spot cracks starting to form, don't just ignore them. That's how they get worse. Grab a concrete crack filler or patching compound and seal those cracks up quick to stop water from sneaking in and causing more damage. Also, keep an eye on drainage around your patio because standing water can weaken the concrete over time. Regularly sweep off dirt and debris so nothing settles into cracks or makes the surface rough. If your patio is super old or the cracks are big, think about calling in a pro to check if you need a more serious fix. Taking these steps not only keeps your patio looking good, but also saves you money on major repairs later. One of the biggest mistakes people make with concrete patio cracks is ignoring them until they spread all over the place. This lets water seep in and mess with the base underneath, making repairs way more expensive. Another common issue is letting heavy equipment just roll right over the patio without any protection, which leads to deep cracks and even surface breaks. The fix here is using plywood or mats to protect the concrete when moving heavy stuff. Lastly, poor drainage around the patio often gets overlooked, causing water to pool and weaken the concrete's foundation. Fixing this means checking and improving drainage systems so water flows away from your patio. BigHomeProjects.com is a great spot for homeowners who want to find reliable local contractors that actually know their stuff and won't leave you hanging. Plus, it helps contractors connect with people who need their services, making it easier for everyone to get solid work done without stress.